A powerful, deep ping sound as the two images sync up perfectly. Ominous drumbeat. This footage was supposed to be destroyed, a secret dig outside the public eye. For over 80 years it was considered lost, until now. Why was it hidden? Because what they found was so controversial it threatened to rewrite history. Ancient texts spoke of chambers, of a hall of records buried deep beneath the sands, but mainstream science called it a myth. But this lost film proves the dig happened. And when we aligned their excavation points with today's most advanced ground-penetrating radar and LiDAR technology, we got a match. The coordinates from the past confirmed by the technology of the present. The accounts from Herodotus, the legends of the Arabs, the ancient Egyptian texts, they all pointed to this. They weren't stories, they were reports. And this lost footage is the missing link, the tangible proof that what the ancients said was true. So the question is no longer if there's something there. The question, confirmed by this lost evidence, is what did they find, and why was the truth buried?